on there? Thought maybe it was an old box that I already cut. All right, guys, we got a football memorabilia box break number 58. Thank you, guys. We'll roll the dice for which one to pop open. 1, 2, 3 on the top, 4, 5, 6 on the bottom. Bottom box. Making it pretty easy. Oh, next box is 120, sorry. With panache. All right, guys, good luck. Here we go. Oh, see, I thought this team was out of hits too. Now I'm starting to get really frustrated. For the Chargers, Dan Fouts. We've only had 3 or 4 Justin Herberts. Shouldn't they be gone? There we go. Autograph Fouts. Beckett. Auto. Fuzzy Chargers. Alrighty. Next up, we got a mini helmet. For the Arizona Cardinals camo, that is Kenyon Drake. Kenyon Drake for the Cards. Camo autograph helmet. Next up, now see. All right, I'm going to the mental institution after this. It's like, wait a minute, there's no way these guys have been done for a while. Amari Cooper for the Cowboys. Autographed jersey for the Cowboys. JSA cert. There you go. All right, guys, I'll look up the owners here real quick. Chargers. Chargers is going to Lions. Going to the Lions. Lions, Bo Byans. Next up, the Cardinals. Lucas had him in 58. Is this 58? It is going to Lucas. Lucas with the Lions. I mean, sorry. Lucas with the Cardinals. About ready to say Coyotes. And then we got Cowboys. Emily has him at 58. There you go, Emily. Good call. Emily, CD's sister. Emily with the Amari Cooper. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Go ahead and get this stuff put away.